Secondary succession take place in succession means changes. First option bare rock, second is degraded forest, third is newly created pond, and fourth is newly cooled lava. Secondary succession take place in degraded forest. So correct answer is B. Which of the following animals is not viviparous? First option flying fox, second is elephant, third is platypus, and fourth is whale. Viviparous means the animal which can lay baby. Flying fox, elephant and whale is a viviparous animal, and platypus is a oviparous. Oviparous means which can lay egg. So correct answer is C. In which of the following group notochord present in whole life? First option hemichordata, second is urochordata, third is cephalochordata, and fourth is vertebrata. Cephalochordata in which notochord is present in their whole life. So correct answer is C. The chromosome in which centrosome is situated close to 1 in are first option metacentric, second is acrocentric, third is telocentric, and fourth is submetacentric. These all are the type of chromosome. The chromosome in which centrosome is situated close to 1 in R is known as acrocentric. So correct answer is B. Which of the following is commonly used as vector for introducing DNA fragment in women's lymphocyte? First option retrovirus, second is lambda phase, and third is TI plasmid, fourth is PBR322. Retrovirus is commonly used as vector for introducing DNA fragment in women lymphocytes. So correct answer is A. Which of the following hormones can play a significant role in osteoporosis? First option aldosterone and prolactin, second is estrogen and parathyroid hormone, third is progesterone and aldosterone, and fourth is parathyroid hormone and prolactin. Osteoporosis is a disease. It is a age-related disorder in which decrease the bone mass and increased the chances of fracture due to the decreased number of estrogen and parathyroid hormones. So correct answer is B. Basic unit of ecological hierarchy is first option population, second is community, and third is ecosystem, fourth is individual. The basic unit of ecological hierarchy is individual, which is also known as organism. So correct answer is D. Which of the following elements is responsible for maintaining turgor in cell? First option magnesium, second is potassium, third is sodium, and fourth is calcium. Potassium play a very important role for maintaining the turgor in the cell. So correct answer is B. Malt constitute about percentage of lymphocyte tissue in human body. Malt means mucosal associated lymphocyte tissue. First option 10%, second is 50%, third is 20%, and fourth is 70%. Malt constitute about 50% of the lymphoid tissue in the human body. So correct answer is B. Which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? First option ATP, second is NADPH, and third is NADH, and fourth is oxygen. ATP, NADPH and oxygen is the product of light reaction, but NADH is not a product of light reaction. So correct answer is C. In an ecosystem, the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis is termed as first option net primary productivity, second is gross primary productivity, third is secondary productivity, fourth is net productivity. In an ecosystem, the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis is known as gross primary productivity. So correct answer is B. Which of the following forms the iron absorbed by plants? First option ferric, second is free element, third is ferrous, and Fourth is both ferric and ferrous. Plant absorb iron in the form of ferric iron. So correct answer is A. Water potential of pure water is first option more than 1, second is 0 and third is less than 0, fourth is more than 0 but less than 1. The water potential of pure water is 0. So correct answer is B. Fertility refers to first option death rate, second is number of individual leaving the habitat and third is birth rate, fourth is number of individual entering a habitat. Natality means birth rate. So correct answer is C. Match the items given in column 1 and those in the column 2 and select the correct option given below. हमें क्या करना, कॉलम 1 और कॉलम 2 को आपस में मैच करना है. पहला क्या है, फिब्रिनोजेन. फिब्रिनोजेन करता क्या है, फिब्रिनोजेन क्या करता है, ब्लड क्लॉटिंग में हेल्प करता है. जब ब्लड क्लॉट होता है मतलब खून बहता है उस समय क्या करता है, ये फिब्रिनोजेन क्या एक प्रकार का फैक्टर है जो कि ब्लड क्लॉटिंग में हेल्प करता है. दूसरा क्या है, ग्लोबुलिन. ग्लोबुलिन क्या करता है, डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म प्रोवाइड करता है. डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म का मतलब होता है ये क्या करता है, डिजीज से फाइट करता है, पैथोजन से फाइट करता है. और एल्बुमिन क्या करता है, ये ऑस्मोटिक बैलेंस को मेंटेन करता है. मीन्स ऑस्मोटिक का मतलब होता है वाटर. वाटर के बैलेंस को मेंटेन करता है किसके अंदर, हमारी बॉडी के अंदर. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 4. Ginger vegetative propagation occurs through first option rhizome, second is offset and third is bulbils and fourth is runner. Example of rhizome is ginger. Example of offset is water hyacinth. An example of bulbils is agave. Example of runner is grasses. So correct answer is A. Alleles are first option different phenotype, second is true breeding homozygotes and third is different molecular form of genes and fourth is heterozygotes. Alleles are different molecular form of genes. So correct answer is C. Which of the following components provide sticky character to the bacterial cell? First option glycocalyx, second is cell wall, third is nuclear membrane and fourth is plasma membrane. Cell wall, nuclear membrane and plasma membrane help in protection and glycocalyx provide the sticky character to the bacterial cells. So correct answer is A. Which connective tissue are present length of the skin? First option areolar tissue, second is adipose tissue, third is dense irregular connective tissue. These all are the option. Areolar tissue and adipose tissue are the tissue which are present in the bent of the skin. So correct answer is 3. The stage during which separation of paired homologous chromosome begin is first option packaging, second is dikinesis and third is diplotin, fourth is zygote. In diplotin, the separation of paired homologous chromosome start. So correct answer is C. The hepatic portal veins drain blood to liver from first option intestine, second is heart and third is stomach and fourth is kidney. The hepatic portal veins drain blood to liver from intestine. So correct answer is A. The similarity of bone structures in the forelimb of many vertebrates is an example of first option homology, second is convergent evolution, third is analogy and fourth is adaptive radiation. Structure in the forelimb of many vertebrate is the example of homology, which means same structure and different function. So correct answer is A. Breast border epithelium, that is microvilli containing found in first option PCT, second is loop of Henle, third is collecting duct and fourth is Bowman capsule. Breast border epithelium is present in PCT. PCT means proximal convoluted tubules. So correct answer is A. Ciliated epithelium is present in. Ciliated epithelium means have numbers of cilia which help in movement. First option trachea, second is ureter, third is intestine and fourth is nasal chamber. Ciliated epithelium is present in trachea. So correct answer is A. Common features in earthworm and cockroach is first option cuticle, second is solid and ventral nerve cord, third is nephridia, fourth is Malpighian tubule. Cuticle is present in cockroach and nephridia is present only in earthworm, which help to remove the waste material, and Malpighian tubule is present in cockroach, which also help to remove the waste material. Solid and ventral nerve cord is a common feature of earthworm and cockroach. So correct answer is B. Match the items given in column 1 with those in the column 2 and select the correct option given below. Column 1 and column 2. हमें क्या करना है? column 1 और column 2 को दोनों को आपस में मैच करना है. ये सारा क्या है? इसकी ऑप्शन है. Eutrophication is known as न्यूट्रिएंट इनरेस. सैनिटरी लैंडफिल्स किसे बोलते हैं? जहाँ पे वेस्ट डिस्पोजल, जहाँ पे वेस्ट मटेरियल को डिस्पोज किया जाता है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज 4. स्नो ब्लाइंडनेस किससे होता है? यूवीबी रेडिएशन से. और जूम कल्टीवेशन किसे कहते हैं? डिफॉरेस्टेशन. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकेंड. Casparian strips occur in first option epidermis, second is cortex, third is pericycle and fourth is endodermis. Casparian strip occur in endodermis. So correct answer is D. World Ozone Day is celebrated on first option 5th June, second is 16 September, third is 21 April and fourth is 22 April. World Ozone Day is celebrated on 16 September. So correct answer is B. Which of the following character represent inheritance of blood group in women? First option dominance, second is codominance, third is multiple allele and fourth is incomplete dominance, fifth is polygenic inheritance. These all are the option. Dominance, codominance and multiple allele is the example of inheritance of blood group in women. So correct answer is 3. Match the items given in column 1 with those in the column 2 and select the correct option given below. ये क्या क्या कॉलम फर्स्ट है और ये क्या है कॉलम सेकेंड है. हमें क्या करना है? दोनों को आपस में मैच करना है. फॉलिकुलर फेज को और क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोलिफ्टिक फेज. एंड सेक्रेटरी फेज इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ल्यूटियल फेज. मेंस्ट्रुएशन इज अकर व्हेन द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ इंडोमेट्रियल लाइनिंग ऑफ द यूट्रस. यूट्रस की जब इनर वॉल क्या होगी? ब्रेकडाउन होगी, वजाइना से ब्लीडिंग होगी, उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? मेंस्ट्रुएशन. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकेंड. Among of the following sets of example divergent evolution, select the incorrect option. First is forelimb of man, bat and cheetah. Second is brain of bat, man and cheetah. And third is heart of bat, man and cheetah. Fourth is eye of octopus, bat and man. Divergent evolution is also known as homologous, in which structure same, function is different. These three are example of homologous evolution, but eye of octopus, bat and man is the example of convergent evolution, that is analogous, in which same function but different structure. So correct answer is D. Morphological nature of edible part of coconut is first option pericarp, second is perisperm, third is cotyledon and fourth is endosperm. The morphological nature of edible part of coconut is endosperm. So correct answer is D. Mangoes do not and cannot grow in temperate regions. The most important environmental factor responsible for it is first option soil, second is temperature and third is water and fourth is light. The most important environmental factor responsible for it is temperature. So correct answer is B. Nematopores occur in first option halophyte, second is carnivorous plant, third is free floating hydrophytes and fourth is submerged hydrophyte. Nematopores means the plant which grow vertically upward for the uptake of oxygen during respiration. Such root are known as nematopores root, which occur in halophytes. So correct answer is A. The experimental proof for semi-conservative replication of DNA was first saw in first option fungus, second is plant, third is bacteria, and fourth is viruses. The experimental proof for semi-conservative replication of DNA was first saw in bacterium. So correct answer is C. Life cycle of Ectocarpus and Fucus respectively are first option haplodiploidic, second is haplontic diploidic, third is diploidic haplodiploidic, and fourth is haplodiploidic diploidic. Ectocarpus is haplodiploidic life cycle and Fucus have diploidic life cycle. So correct answer is D. Mycorrhiza are the example of first option mutualism, second is predation, third is amensalism, and fourth is antibiosis. Mycorrhiza is the example of mutualism in which both species are benefited. Both species are benefited. So correct answer is A. Which of the following algae are found in deepest ocean water? First option red algae, second is green algae, and third is yellow algae, fourth is brown algae. The red algae are found in the deepest ocean water. So correct answer is A. Double fertilization is exhibited by first option angiosperms, second is gymnosperms, third is algae, and fourth is fungi. Double fertilization is a very special case in the angiosperm. So correct answer is A. Match the items given in column 1 with those in the column 2 and select the correct option given below. This is a column 1 and this is a column 2. Tricuspid wall is the wall which present between the right atrium and right ventricle. So correct answer is 3. And bicuspid is the wall which are present in between the left atrium and left ventricle. Semilunar wall is the wall which present in between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. So C is third. So correct answer is first. Which one of the following plant is monoecious? Monoecious means bisexual condition which have both male and female. First option papaya, second is pinus, third is marchantia, and fourth is cycas. Pinus is monoecious plant, papaya, marchantia, and cycas is dioecious plant, means unisexual, which have only male or female. So correct answer is B. Select the wrong statement. First is cell wall is present in members of fungi and plantae. Second is pseudopodia are locomotory and feeding structure in sporozoans. Third is mushroom belong to basidiomycetes. Fourth is mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell in all kingdom except Monera. Pseudopodia are locomotory organ, a feeding structure in amoeba, not as sporozoans. So this statement is wrong. Correct answer is B. The association of histone H1 with the nucleosomes indicate. First option the DNA double helix is exposed. Second is transcription is occurring. And third is DNA replication is occurring. Fourth is the DNA is condensed into chromatin fiber. Histone is the positively charged protein. The association of histone H1 with the nucleosome indicate that the DNA is condensed into chromatin fibers. So correct answer is D. Which of the following is a secondary pollutant? First CO, second is SO2, and third is CO2, and fourth is O3. O3 is secondary pollutant. So correct answer is D. Golgi complex participate in first option fatty acid breakdown, second is respiration in bacteria, third is formation of secretory vessels, and fourth is activation of acid. Golgi complex play a very important role for the packaging of food. So correct answer is C. DNA is not present in first option chloroplast, second is ribosomes, and third is nucleus, fourth is mitochondria. Chloroplast, nucleus and mitochondria have DNA, but ribosome where the DNA is absent. So correct answer is B. DNA fragments are first option either positively or negatively charged depending on their size. Second is positively charged and third is negatively charged and fourth is neutral. DNA fragments are negatively charged. So correct answer is C. Plants having little or no secondary growth are first option grasses, second is conifers, third is deciduous angiosperm and fourth is cycas. Plant having little or no secondary growth are seen in the grasses. So correct answer is A. In stratosphere, which of the following elements act as a catalyst in degradation of ozone and release of molecular oxygen? First option carbon, second is Fe and third is Cl and fourth is oxygen. Cl play very important role at a catalyst in the degradation of ozone and release of molecular oxygen. So correct answer is C. Select the correct match. Alex Jeffrey, Streptococcus pneumonia, Martha Michelson and Franklin Stein P, Alfred Harsey and Martha Chase TMV, and Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod lac operon. Alex Jeffrey give the experiment on DNA fingerprinting. Martha Michelson and Franklin experiment on semi-conservative. Alfred Harsey and Martha Chase tell about that genetic material is DNA. And Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod tell about lac operon. So correct answer is D. Which is not a component of alveolar tissue? Alveolar tissue are the tissue which is present in the bent of the skin. First option macrophage, second is plasma cell and third is Schwann cell, fourth is adipose tissue. Macrophage, plasma cells and adipose tissue. These three are belong to alveolar tissue, but Schwann cell were not belong to alveolar tissue. So correct answer is C. Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossil? First option pollen kit, second is oil content, third is cellulose and fourth is sporopollen. Due to the presence of sporopollen, we have preserved a pollen grain as a fossil. So correct answer is D. As the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. ये क्या है कॉलम फर्स्ट है जिसमें फंक्शन के बारे में बताया गया और ये क्या है कॉलम सेकेंड है जिसमें इसके स्क्रीटरी सिस्टम के बारे में बताया. हमें क्या करना है इस फंक्शन को स्क्रीटरी सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करना है मैच करना है. अल्ट्राफिल्ट्रेशन में कौन हेल्प करता है? बोमेन कैप्सूल एंड glomulus, which are commonly known as Malpighian corpus. So correct answer is Malpighian corpus. And concentration of urine. Urine को concentration बनाने में कौन help करता है? Henle loops. Then transport of urine. Urine के transportation में कौन help करता है? Ureter करता है. Then storage of urine. Urine को store करके कौन रखता है? Urinary bladder रखता है. So correct answer is urinary bladder. So according to this, correct answer is 3. Transparent lens in the human eye is held in place by first option ligaments attached to ciliary body, second is smooth muscle attached to the iris and third is ligament attached to the iris, fourth is smooth muscle attached to the ciliary body. The transparent lens in the human eye is held in place by the help of ligaments attached to the ciliary body. So correct answer is A. Sweat gland of human beings originate from first option ectoderm, second is mesoderm and third is endoderm, fourth is all of the above. Sweat gland can secrete the sweat. So correct answer is A, that is ectoderm. All of the following parts of an operon except first option an operator, second is an enhancer, third is structure gene and fourth is promoter. Operator, structure gene and promoter is a part of lac operon, but enhancer is not a part of lac operon. So correct answer is B. Estivation of petals in the flower of cotton is correctly shown in. Estivation is the arrangement of sepals and petals in the floral bud. This is the diagram of valvate estivation. Example of valvate estivation is Calotropis. And this is the diagram of twisted estivation. Example of twisted estivation is China rose, ladyfinger and cotton. And this is a diagram of imbricate estivation. Example of imbricate estivation is cassia and gulmohar. This is the diagram of waxillary estivation. Example is pea bean. So correct answer is B. Which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? First option, star synthesis in P, multiple alleles. Second is exotype of self-determination grasshopper. Third is avio blood grouping codominance. And fourth is Th Morgan linkage. Star synthesis in pea plant is the example of incomplete dominance. These three statements are correct. So, which statement is wrong? First statement is wrong. Correct answer is A. Which of the following statement is correct? First option, ovule are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperm. Second is, horse tail are gymnosperm. Third is, Selangina is heterosporous while the Salvinia is homosporous. Fourth is, stem are usually branched in both cycas and citrus. Ovule are not enclosed by ovary wall in gymnosperm. This statement is correct. Horsetail are not a gymnosperm. Horsetail belong to pteridophyte class. Selangina and Salvinia are the example of heterosporous. And cycas is unbranched and citrus is branched. So correct answer is A. Vascular bundle in monocotyledons are considered closed because first option, a bundle sees surround each bundle. Second is, cambium is absent. Third is, there are no vessel with perforation. Fourth is, xylem is surrounded all around by phloem. Due to the absence of cambium, there is a no secondary growth performed in the monocotyledons plant. So correct answer is B.